The RCERA C129V2 RTF RC helicopter is a compact yet highly capable 2.4 GHz remote control helicopter designed for hobby enthusiasts who value precision, stability, and ease of use. Featuring a 6-axis gyroscope system, this model delivers smooth, balanced flight performance, making it suitable for beginners while still engaging for more experienced pilots. With one-click takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and stable hover control, the C129V2 allows users to focus on flying rather than constant adjustments. The responsive controls support forward, backward, left, right, ascent, descent, and rotation, enabling basic aerobatic maneuvers and realistic flight handling. Its lightweight but durable airframe helps reduce damage from minor impacts, adding peace of mind for indoor or calm outdoor use. The ready-to-fly RTF package includes the helicopter, remote controller, rechargeable battery, spare blades, USB charging cable, tools, and manual everything needed to start flying immediately. Ideal as a hobby-grade toy or a thoughtful gift, the RCERA C129V2 offers an enjoyable and reliable flying experience at an accessible level.